Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to identify upper and lower pitches on nepenthes. There are lots of species in nepenthes, but this video applies to most of them. The one I'm showing you right now is a cross between Nepenthes ventricosa and Nepenthes alata. Anyways, let's get started. So nepenthes are a carnivorous plant which use these modified red leaves known as pitchers to attract, trap and digest small animals. The reason they do this is because they can't get enough minerals from the soil they grow in to survive. So instead, they get the minerals from the animals that they eat. I do have a video on how to grow these plants, so go to my channel and check that out. Anyways, to do this, these plants produce two different types of pitchers. Upper pitchers, as the name suggests, can be found higher up on the plant, and lower pitchers, also as the name suggests, which can be found lower on the plant, usually touching the ground. Lower pitchers often have more pigment and deep coloration. You can see the lower pitchers on this plant are very red. If you compare this to an upper pitcher, the upper pitcher is very pale. You can see the comparison here. Also, on lower pitchers, the tendril coming out of the back, which connects back to the plant, is usually leaning more towards the side of the pitcher. On upper pitchers, it comes directly out of the back. Lower pitchers can also have frilly-looking wings on the pitchers. These are designed for crawling animals to climb up the pitcher. They don't actually fly or anything. These wings only appear on lower pitchers. There are also two stages of these plants. The first stage, which is just them growing, and after about growing them for a year, the second stage of your plants. This is called vining. The space between the petals gets larger and larger, about an inch apart. This means that the plant is old enough, healthy enough, and ready to flower. There's a flower on my plant right now. Check out my channel because I might make a few videos about this. Anyways, lower pitchers come from the first stage of the plant. Upper pitchers come from the second phase. Upper pitchers also usually have a loop in their tendrils. This is another good way to identify them. Instead of having wings on the upper pitchers, they just have two ridges down the middle of the pitcher. Upper pitchers also produce much more nectar and have a wide throat to their pitcher. You can see this comparison between the throat of an upper pitcher and the throat of a lower pitcher. The upper pitcher is more curved like a Y shape. The lower pitcher isn't. Also, in between the first phase of the plant and the second phase of the plant, you can get these things called intermediate pitchers. They're basically a mix between the two properties of upper and lower pitchers, so watch out for those. So yeah, that's about everything you need to know about identifying upper and lower pitchers on nepenthes. Bye, please subscribe. Check out my video on how to grow them. Bye.